Okay, go ahead. Set up your statements reasons. There's nothing you can mark on this diagram that you can't mark angles supplementary. There's no magic notation, so you don't need to mark your diagram on this one, but you can write in your statements. Okay, let me throw some numbers on the diagram. Don't put any numbers on your diagram. I want to show you how this new fact about supplementary angles works. All right, I'm going to go angle 1 is 50 degrees. Okay, angle 1's 50. It tells me angle 1 and angle 3 are supplementary, so they add to what? 180. So if that's 50, what's angle 3 then if these two are supplementary? 130. It also tells me angle 2 and angle 3 are supplementary. So if angle 3 is 130, what's got to be angle 2? 50. And what do I notice about angles 1 and 2? There you go. And that's what I'm trying to prove. And I just showed you that using numbers that they are congruent. All right. So how do I use this new fact now? Here we go. What's angle 1 supplementary to? 3. What's angle 2 supplementary to? Also angle 3. Thank you. So you're telling me both angle 1 and angle 2 are both supplementary to what? 3. The same exact angle. Everyone agree? The same 1 and 2 are both supplementary to the same exact angle 3. And this is what this new fact says. It says, hey, if you have two angles that are supplementary to the same exact angle, those two angles are congruent. Okay? So two angles supplementary to the same angle are congruent. So right away in step 2, we can write angle 1 congruent to angle 2 because 1 and 2 are both supplementary to what? The same angle, 3, correct. Supplements of the same angle are congruent. So if you have two angles that are supplementary to the same angle, they are congruent. A lot of kids, and I don't know if I should bring this up or not, a lot of students want to do, 1 and 3, 2 and 3, that means 1 and 2 are also supplementary. They're congruent. Right? You got to notice both of these are supplementary to the same angle, so they're congruent to each other. Congruent, all right? All good, because I'm going to show you another supplementary fact here now. All right, let's go. Give you guys a minute to write everything down and mark it on your diagram. When marking your diagram, make sure you mark lowercase angle A, not uppercase. Make sure you have arc marks at lowercase a and b, not the uppercase ones. Those aren't the ones congruent. It's the lowercase a and lowercase b. Okay, can everyone locate angle ADC? Locate angle ADC. Everyone see it? Where's it right next to? Angle A, right? Everyone locate angle BFC. Everyone see BFC. What's it next to? What's it next to? Angle B, right? Okay, so let's talk. Let's look at ADC right now. ADC, angle ADC and angle A. Do you see any relationship between them? I hope you do at this point in the course. Angle ADC and angle A. Can you tell me something about those two? 11. Keep going. You're correct. Keep going. So that makes them? Perfect. It makes them supplementary. Everyone agree those two are supplementary. All right. Look at angle BFC now. Angle BFC and angle B. 12. What do I know about those two? BFC and B. Those two are? Is there 12 here today or no? Okay. I was on fire too today. I was on fire, guys. 3. What do I know about those two? So they're also supplementary. So did everyone see? These two supplementary, these two supplementary. All right, whoa. Okay, ready? Here we go. These two angles, ADC and BFC, are they supplementary to the same exact angle? No. So I can't use the theorem I just used on the last proof. Everyone see that? But these two are supplementary to two angles that are congruent, so they're congruent. See the difference between the last one. Ready? One more time. ADC and BFC, are they supplementary to the same exact angle? No, but they are supplementary to two angles that are congruent, so that makes them congruent because they are supplements of congruent angles. See the difference? They can be supplementary to the same angle and be congruent, or they can be supplementary to congruent angles and be congruent. Good? Ooh, I wish I could do this in 2 steps, but I can't. What type of angles are A and ADC? Supplementary, yeah. What type of angles are B and BFC? You got to put that in your proof. Hey, before you use any of these, you better write in your proof. Don't tell me verbally. Write in your proof what angles are supplementary. Well, Mr. Carlino, why did I not have to do that in the last proof? You guys tell me. Why didn't I have to write down that they were supplementary in the last proof? It was in the darn givens. I don't have to write it down if it was given. But if it's not given, you got to tell me that they're supplementary. Angle A and angle ADC are supplementary. Angle B and angle BFC are supplementary. And can I go back to Spence or Kelsey here? How did you guys know they were supplementary? What did you guys tell me? Okay, and here's our third and final fact. Anytime you tell me angles are supplementary, 99% of the time your reason's going to be linear pairs are supplementary. Well, Mr. Carlino, you said 99. What's the other 1%? It was in the last proof. It'd be given. Okay, so most of the time you're going to tell me angles are supplementary because they're linear pairs. All right, so let's finish this. ADC and BFC are supplementary to two angles which are congruent, which makes those angles congruent. If they're supplementary to the same angle or supplementary to congruent angles, they'll be congruent. Supplements of not the same angle, but congruent angles are congruent. So it's just a matter of looking at the diagram and saying, Are they supplementary to the same angle or supplementary to two angles that are congruent? And that is a wrap for today. I think some ice is melting off my heart because you only have 2 proofs tonight. The rest are all algebra problems, so you're welcome. Hey, heads up. Look at proof number 1 here. Do you see anything, any angles in there that would even be remotely close to supplementary? Forming 180 degrees, a straight line. Anybody see any? No, it's just a review proof. Okay, I just got to get you guys in the habit of, hey, we just don't do proofs of what we talked about that day. Number two, maybe we're talking supplementary. But number 1, I don't know how you're getting any supplementary angles out of those. So that's a review proof. Call me over if you want me to check anything, or if you get stuck. Get rolling. You can work with other people, move around if you want. Remember, you got the test coming up next week. I forget which day.